Welcome back, Coinsy Welds. Appreciate the 495 subscribers when we get to 500 for a chance to win one of these awesome Coinsy Welds shirts. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, drop a fire emoji, add a comment. Learn to strike an arc. One way is to strike like a match, like this. And then just kind of hover over it about 1/8 of an inch. And then another way to learn how to strike an arc is just tapping it like this. Right there, you see that? And then, yeah, then just practice your beats. This is striking it like a match. And then tapping it. And then once you learn how to strike an arc, I'll show you how you can facilitate yourself for welding with some simple lines and cutting the electrodes in half. Here with my chipping hammer, I'm chipping away a little excess of the end of the electrode from the flux. That way you have somewhere to grab it with your stinger. Go ahead and tack your workpiece so it stays stationary, it's not going around anywhere. We're gonna begin and cut some lines with a simple cutting blade. I'm using a 1/16 cutting blade, simply making a few lines. The reason for it is because these are gonna be your guidelines. Once you have the hood on, you won't be able to see too much depending on what kind of helmet you have. I personally have an auto darkening, so this doesn't really matter to me, but lines, don't ever be afraid to give yourself some guidelines so you can have somewhere to kind of direct you as to where you need to be going. I usually grab it with two hands on the flat position. This is what it looks like. I'm already starting my my weld. Notice how I'm whipping a little bit. This is a 60-10, and then right now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like from inside of the hood at a whole different view. See how you like it. Here's the slight whipping technique. Here the line that I just grinded is very visible to me. I'm using it just as a straight. What it is, it's a guideline. Don't be afraid. Cut your electrodes, bend your electrodes, make yourself some guidelines, give yourself a deco or some chalk, and go ahead and give yourself some lines. I hope it helps someone. I know it definitely helped me. Get more control. Don't be afraid to give yourself a guideline. And go ahead, look at my electrodes. I cut them in half, and then for a chance to win one of these awesome Coinsy Welds shirts. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, drop a fire emoji, add a comment.